Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm having a problem with my phone, and I was hoping you could take a look at it.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I dropped it this morning on my way to work. The screen didn't completely shatter, but it cracked pretty badly. And after that, it started acting weird.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me ask a few questions. Is the screen still responding when you touch it?
Sort of. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. I have to tap things more than once.
I see. Anything else besides the cracked screen?
Yes. The battery has been draining really fast lately, and now it won't charge properly either. I plugged it in during lunch, but the battery only went up by a few %.
Got it. So the main issues are the cracked screen, touch sensitivity problems, and possible battery or charging issues.
Yeah, exactly. I really need my phone for work and messages, so I'm kind of stressed out.
I understand. Did the phone have any problems before you dropped it?
The battery was already getting worse before that. It used to last all day, but recently I've had to charge it 2 or 3 times a day.
That's helpful to know. After you dropped it, did it shut off by itself or stay on?
It stayed on at first, but then it restarted once on its own. Since then, it's been slow and glitchy.
Okay. Has the phone been exposed to water recently? Rain, spilled drinks, anything like that?
No, I don't think so. Just the drop.
All right. Can I take a quick look?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks. Let me check the screen and charging port, and see what I can tell about the battery from a quick inspection.
Okay.
The screen is definitely cracked, and that may be affecting the touch response. The charging port also looks a little dirty, but I can't tell yet whether it's just dust or if there's some damage inside.
So do you think it's fixable?
Yes, most likely. From what I can see, I think we can still fix it. The good news is that it turns on, which is usually a good sign.
That's a relief.
At this point, my first guess is that you need a screen replacement. As for the battery and charging issue, it could be an old battery, a charging port problem, or both.
Okay. Is that something you can fix here today?
Possibly, yes. It depends on which parts need to be replaced and whether we have them in stock. Let me check.
Sure.
Good news. We do have the screen for your model, and we also have a compatible battery. If the charging port needs to be replaced too, that may take a little longer.
I see. How much would it cost?
The screen replacement would be around $120, and the battery replacement would be about $60. If the charging port needs repair too, that would add another $40 to $50, depending on the condition.
Oh, that's a little more than I expected.
I understand. Phone repairs can get expensive, especially when there's more than one issue.
Yeah. I was hoping it would just be the screen.
It still might just be the screen and the battery. Sometimes once we replace those, the phone works normally again. The charging issue may even improve if the battery is the main problem. But I can't promise that until we test it.
Right. And how long would the repair take?
If we replace just the screen and battery, it should take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. If we also need to repair the charging port, it may take 3 to 4 hours.
So if I leave it now, could I pick it up later today?
Yes, most likely. If we start soon, you should be able to pick it up this evening.
That would be great. I really can't be without my phone for too long.
I understand. A lot of people are in the same situation.
I have another question. Will I lose my data?
In most cases, no. A screen or battery replacement usually doesn't erase your data.
Usually?
I want to be honest with you. There's always a small risk anytime a phone is opened up or repaired, especially if it already has internal damage. But normally, your photos, contacts, and apps stay exactly where they are.
Okay. I'm mostly worried about my photos and work messages.
That makes sense. If the phone still turns on and responds, I'd recommend backing up your data before we begin, if possible.
I tried earlier, but the screen kept freezing.
In that case, we'll handle it carefully. We won't reset the phone unless it becomes absolutely necessary, and if anything unexpected comes up, we'll call you first.
I appreciate that. After the repair, will the phone work like normal again?
It should work much better, especially if the problems are being caused by the damaged screen and worn-out battery. I can't say it'll feel brand new, but it should be stable and usable again. Also, after we replace the screen, I'd suggest using a screen protector and a better case. That really helps.
Yeah, lesson learned.
It happens to everyone.
So, what would you recommend? Should I fix all three things now, or start with just the screen?
Honestly, I'd definitely recommend replacing the screen. And since the battery was already weak before the drop, replacing the battery at the same time would be a smart idea. As for the charging port, I'd like to inspect it first and only replace it if it really needs it. That way, you won't pay for an extra repair unless it's actually necessary.
I like that. So you can replace the screen and battery first, then call me if the charging port needs more work?
Exactly.
All right. Let's do that.
Great. I'll write that down, screen replacement and battery replacement, and we'll inspect the charging port during the repair.
Sounds good.
What's the best phone number to reach you?
You can call me at 917-275-0187. If my phone is off, you can text my work number too.
No problem. Go ahead.
That one is 212-391-2241.
Got it. I'll give you a repair form and estimate.
Great, thanks.
Here you are. It says the estimated total for the screen and battery is $180 before tax. If the charging port needs additional repair, we'll contact you before doing anything else.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. We'll take good care of it.
About what time should I come back?
Around 6 p.m. would be a safe bet. If it's ready earlier, I'll call or text you.
Great. I'll come back around 6 then.
Sounds good.
Thanks again. I was really worried when I walked in, but I feel a lot better now.
I'm glad to hear that. We'll do our best to get it fixed for you today.
Awesome. See you later.
See you later today.